Hello and welcome to GunterBots. I'm Walter Gunter. Let's get started. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of an FPV crate. Not exactly a tutorial, but something kind of cool. My brother-in-law sucked me into this world of flying drones and the wonderful world that I'd like to eventually add some autonomous operation to it, but there's a lot of stuff that the skill that these guys bring in is just amazing. So I signed up for a monthly crate. We'll see what it looks like because it could be fun. I'm very excited. Let's see. My first unboxing ever. I'm going to use a great tool for this. So let's see what we can kind of do. Just got it signed up about a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. And now here it is. So excited. All right. So FPV Crate, first person view. Here's a logo. Follow them on social media. Of course, I paid for this. This was not free. They did not give it to me, so I am doing this open box and review on my own. All right, look at that. Become an FPV creator. That's kind of cool. It's all about the delivery, right? This is a thank you. It doesn't have my name in there, huh? Spread the love. I can enter some code and get something free. I like free. This month comes with a 5-inch quad frame and long-range antenna, propeller, 3 sets, a VTX power switch, a FPV Crate edition mini nut wrench tool, and an FPV Crate sticker sheet. Hey, I'm always down for some stickers. All right, here we go. Look at this. Open. Oh, here's the stickers. Check that out. Oh, yeah. These are going right on my laptop or box, whatever I do. Here we go. Here's the first thing. Here are your props. Wow. Oh no, this is a frame. It's the 5-inch frame. I guess some assembly required, huh? So if I can kind of look in there. QAVR2 FPV Crate Edition. They must be putting some things together. Okay, that's one. Here's the antenna. And it's got the power switch. So here's the 5.8 gigahertz antenna. Kind of fun having those hanging off. Ooh, look at that mini nut wrench tool. That's kind of cool. Yeah, that's actually kind of awesome. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I guess that's it. Kind of exciting. I mean, I don't really know what to do with some of this stuff, but we unboxed it, and we'll get to work on it. You just kind of see the frame. Okay, so yeah, some assembly gonna have to go into this. And I have my own frame, so we'll see kind of at the end what that does. Thanks for joining me, and in the meantime, let's keep making.